Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make 7 days whitening body oil. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. To make this whitening oil, you'll be needing shenic oil, you'll be needing natural secret oil, you'll be needing skin perfector serum, you'll be needing natural white oil, you'll be needing coconut oil, you'll be needing carrot oil, and you'll be needing alpha-butane serum. So firstly guys, in a clean bowl I'm putting 82 ml of my natural secret oil. I'm putting half teaspoon of my alpha-butane serum. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of my skin perfector serum. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of my natural white oil. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of my shenic oil. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil. And I'm putting 1 tablespoon of my carrot oil. Then I'm mixing it properly. I will mix it until it is well blended, okay? Guys, this oil will not only whiten your skin, it will also keep your skin moisturized. Know that this oil is not meant for your face. Please don't use this on your face. It's meant only for your body, okay? With this oil, you don't have to worry about green veins, stretch marks and knuckles. That perfect white skin is guaranteed, okay? So you really need to try this. This is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.